My name is Anjali. Welcome to the free online course in English Grammar by Live and Learn. I hope you enjoy this lesson and I hope you find it useful. If you do, please like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this lesson with anybody that you know who might also be interested in improving their English by learning English grammar. Thank you. Let's move on to the lesson. Live and Learn, free online course in English Grammar. Lesson 8. Determiners Part 1. Articles Part 2. The three articles are a, an, and the. They go before nouns. They make it clear whether the noun or nouns that follow them are being referred to in either general, indefinite, or specific, definite ways. In Articles Part 1, we looked at when to use these words. We will now look at when not to use articles, and we will see how meanings can change when articles are used and when they are not used. When to leave out articles. 1. The is not used before proper nouns, which, as you will remember, are the actual names of people, places, and countries. It is not used before the names of some magazines and books. Examples. I went to London to do some shopping. Ravi lives in India. She reads Women's World every week because it is her favourite magazine. 2. It is technically incorrect to use the before days of the week, unless it is a particular day that is specified in the sentence. However, many native speakers in Britain do so. This has become usual in informal speech, but you are advised not to use articles before days of the week in formal or business writing, as it creates an impression of too much informality. Examples. She is going to visit her parents next Sunday. Correct. She is going to visit her parents on the Sunday. Incorrect, but many people say it like this. 3. Articles are not used before the names of months, unless a particular month is being emphasized in a sentence, or before specific dates of years. If the date of the year is preceded by the word year, the definite article is used. If the date of the year is preceded by an adjective, an indefinite article is used. Examples. The annual review is published in December. Suraj remembered the December of 2006 so clearly. It was one of the happiest months of his life. Their first child was born in 2012. Their first child was born in the year 2012. She had a good 1996. 4. Articles are not used before abstract nouns or uncountable nouns, such as the names of substances, if they are being mentioned in a general way. Of course, they are preceded by the when used in a specific way. Examples. The price of oil has gone up. Gold is a precious metal. The gold bracelet she was wearing caught his eye. Gold is used as an adjective here to describe the noun bracelet. Sugar and salt enhance the flavour of food and act as preservatives. Please pass the salt. Specific. Hamish wanted justice for himself and his family. The peace that passeth all understanding. Quote from the Bible, specific. Five, articles are not used before plural countable nouns used in a general way, though the precedes such nouns when they are used in specific ways. Examples: girls just like to have fun. The girls are having fun, specific. Boys will be boys. The boys have gone mountain biking, specific. People are the same all over the world. The people of India are very hospitable, specific. 6. Articles are not used before the names of meals used in a general way. However, they are used if the name of the meal is preceded by an adjective. Examples: what time did you have dinner? Have you had breakfast? What is for lunch? They have gone out for a late lunch. Here, late is an adjective. Thank you for the wonderful dinner. Here, wonderful is an adjective. 7. Articles are not used before the names of languages. Examples: we are studying English. Benito speaks Hindi fluently. 8. Articles are not used before words like school, college, university, hospital, prison, bed, when these words are used in a general way. Articles are not used in front of the word church when it is used in a general way. However, articles are used with the names of other religious buildings when they are used in a general way. If words such as the above are being used in a specific sense, then definite and indefinite articles are used as normal. Examples: where did you go to school? The school near our house is closing down. The children are all at university now. She wanted to study at a university which provided an excellent course in applied mathematics. She stays in bed all day. I am going to make the bed. He goes to church regularly. He goes to the church in his village. He goes to the temple regularly. He goes to the mosque regularly. 9. Articles are not used before titles if they are the names of positions that are held by one person at a time, and if it is the actual title that is important in the sentence. However, these titles can be preceded by the if the actual person who holds the title is being indicated. Examples: he was elected president last year. He was the president of the country. 10. Articles are not used in certain phrases, such as to lose heart, to take offense, in debt, at home, at dawn, by day, by night, by train, on foot. There are many more of these phrases, and you will learn them as you continue to improve your command of English. How meaning changes with the repetition of articles. There are certain situations in which the meaning of a sentence changes if articles are repeated. They are as follows. 1. If a sentence contains two or more adjectives that refer to the same noun, an article is only used before the first noun. If a sentence contains two or more adjectives that refer to different nouns, then articles are placed before each adjective. Examples. Arvind has a red and orange carpet in his living room. This sentence means that Arvind has one carpet in his living room and it is partly red and partly orange. Arvind has a red carpet and an orange carpet in his living room. This sentence means that Arvind has two carpets in his living room. One is red and one is orange. 2. If a sentence contains two or more nouns that refer to the same person, animal, or thing, an article is only used before the first noun. If a sentence contains two or more nouns that refer to different people, animals, and things, then articles are used before each noun. Examples. The CEO was an inspirational speaker and leader. The voice training workshop was led by a teacher and a singer. Here, the teacher and the singer are clearly different people. 3. If you are making a comparison and using two nouns to refer to the same person, animal, place, or thing, the article is only placed before the first noun. If you are using two or more nouns to refer to different people, places, animals, or things, an article is placed before every noun. Examples. The artist was a better painter than sculptor. The artist can create a better painting than a sculpture. Sitali would make a better lawyer than doctor. Gitanjali is a better cook than a professional chef. There are a few more rules for when articles should and should not be used. However, they are more complex. If you are interested in deepening your understanding of this topic, then you will find all the rules set out in full in the Live and Learn English Grammar textbook. Well done! You have completed this lesson. If you enjoyed the lesson and you found it useful, please do like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you know anyone who is also interested in improving their command of English by learning English grammar, please share this video lesson with them. If you would like to buy the Live and Learn English Grammar textbook, you can buy it as an ebook or as a paperback from the Amazon website that serves your country of residence. There are some links in the description box below the video. The book does go deeper into aspects of grammar, and it also contains exercises with answers so you can monitor your own progress. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.